In this grave, our perhaps the most fateful in our history. For the second time in the lives of most of us, we are at war.
Wait a goddamn April. Now you listen.
Over and over
You're not gonna get away with
again,
twisting everything that I say, April.
we have tried to find a peaceful way out of the differences between ourselves and those who are now our enemies. But it has been in vain. We have been forced into a conflict. For we are called to meet the challenge of a principle which, if it were to prevail, would be fatal to any civilized order in the world.
Cards on the table.
Well, I never did care for wishy-washy people. That's why last night when you walked in the room, I said to myself, my sister has married a man. Because that was all I could tell her.
All right. Let's cut the rebop.
Stanley?